Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So in today's video we are going to be making a very mouth-watering delicious seafood okra soup, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we get started with the main cooking and showing you my other ingredients, I'm going to first of all show you the seafood I'm going to be using, which is the crabs. Yeah, this is the blue one, and my husband just got this from a supermarket because that's what I was craving. Like, I was craving for this very seriously, so I had to ask him to go look wherever they are selling it. He should go and look for it. And he went and came back with 4 of them, and I'm happy for that. At least he was able to find and he bought. So now I'm just cleaning it up. I don't know how to explain how to clean this, but just watch what I'm doing there, or maybe you can watch videos on YouTube on how to clean this. I actually watched a video or some videos on how to clean it because this is actually my first time of eating this. I've not tasted crabs before, so I watched videos on how to clean it and I was able to do it. It is as simple as ABC. Can you see how clean it is looking now than how it was before? So it's just simple basically, guys. Just look up for the videos on YouTube and follow along the process. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean all the 4 of them, and then I will show you the rest of my ingredients before we start cooking. Alright guys, I'm done washing the 4 of them, and here are the other ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to leave them in the description box below, or you can screenshot the ingredients as well. So over here I have my Scotch bonnet, I have my onions, I have my fresh tomatoes, and I have my red bell peppers and the tatashe. Yeah, the long sweet red pepper. So I'm going to cut and blend them into chunks like this. It's not finely blended, as you can see, so this is how I love it. Like, I want to be seeing that chunks of peppers in my soup because it has a very beautiful color. Like, looking at it, you feel very hungry to eat already. So what I did now is that I added some palm oil in my pot, allow it to get hot, then I pour in the blended peppers and onion with the fresh tomatoes as well. I left it to fry or to cook down for like getting to 10 minutes. I'm not sure if it is up to 10 minutes, but basically just allowing it to cook down a bit. And then I'm going to be adding my seasoning cubes, which is the knorr seasoning cubes. I'm going to be adding some salt. Just add salt according to your taste. And then I'm going to be adding some crayfish, which I already washed. I don't want to blend it, but if you want, you can blend yours. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my dry fish, which I already washed and deboned. This is catfish for your information. And I'm going to be adding my mackerel fish. I can't cook soup without mackerel fish, unless if I don't have it. And then I went ahead to add my crabs, and I'm going to be adding just about this much of minced garlic and ginger paste, and then I poured in some water, just about the same level of what I have in the pot basically. And then I taste it to see if I need to add more seasoning, but everything was okay. Then I covered the pot, allow it to boil for 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and then check on it. Taste it again if you need to taste it. So as you can see now, I'm just showing you that the blue crabs has turned to red or pink or orange, I don't know. So now I'm just adding in my shrimps. These are big shrimps or prawns. And then here is my okra. You guys remember the okra I showed you guys in my previous vlog. So this is the okra. I already washed and sliced it, and this is how I sliced it because I want it to be a bit chunky. I don't want blended one. No, I don't even like it, but sometimes I blend it if I'm in a hurry. But today this is how I want this soup, and this is how I'm making it. So I added the okra, covered it, allow it to cook down for 5 minutes. Please guys, nothing more than 5 minutes because we don't want to overcook the okra. And then I added my spinach. This is fresh baby spinach. I shredded it and added it. Now I'm going to mix it, and voila guys, our soup is as good as ready. Like, once you add the spinach, just give it like a minute to steam up a bit, like to simmer, and then the soup is ready. You guys, this soup was my husband's favorite, even though he doesn't like to eat draw soup, but he loved this one particularly. He keeps telling me, please take good care of that soup, I don't want it to spoil. Whenever I ask him, what do you want to eat, he's like, I want the okra soup. Has it finished? So that is how delicious it was.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.